Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn languages fast and effectively. First, cultivate a positive mindset and set realistic goals. For instance, aim to learn 50 new words each week or hold a 5-minute conversation within 2 months. Remember, consistency is key. Even 15 minutes of daily practice yields significant progress over time. Embrace every mistake as a valuable learning opportunity, propelling you forward on your exciting linguistic adventure. To truly accelerate your learning, immerse yourself in the language. Change your phone's language, watch movies with subtitles, and listen to music. Seek out opportunities to speak with native speakers, even for just 10 minutes a day. Don't be afraid to make errors, they are part of the journey. Active listening, like repeating phrases you hear, significantly boosts your understanding and accent. Employ smart study techniques to maximize your progress. Spaced repetition systems, like flashcards, are incredibly effective for memorizing new vocabulary, helping you retain hundreds of words. Prioritize learning the 1,000 most common words, as they cover about 80% of everyday conversations. Break down grammar rules into small, digestible pieces, tackling one concept at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Consistency is paramount for long-term success. Dedicate a specific time each day, even if it's only for 20 minutes, to your language studies. Regular review sessions, perhaps once a week for 30 minutes, will solidify your knowledge and prevent forgetting. Celebrate every milestone, from understanding a new song lyric to holding a short conversation. These small victories fuel your motivation and keep you on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.